Yeah, hi friends. So welcome to our channel again. So today we will be going to look at how to build an nifty portfolio if you have a very lesser capitals. Okay, so let's say the retail peoples won't have much capital to invest in a nifty 50. Okay, so nifty 50 is a stock which contains 50 stocks. Okay, and each price of that nifty 50 stocks will vary. Means like it's having a price of even few stocks will have a stock price of 100, and few stock price will have a price of even like 600, 700, and even some stocks will have more than 1000 rupees, right? So also like the weightage of that nifty 50 is like a few stocks will have more weightage. Example like HDFC might have an higher weightage of that nifty 50, and like stocks like Tata Steel or Gales, this kind of stocks will have the lesser weightage of that nifty 50. Okay, so as an retailer we cannot build the same portfolio of say with the same weightage of the nifty 50 stocks, right? So for that purpose we will need an huge capital to build that same nifty 50 in our portfolio. Okay, so but what is an uh, what is the way to invest in a nifty 50 by a retailer without a huge capitals, right? So we can either invest through mutual funds. Okay, so there are few mutual funds which will replicate the same nifty 50 stocks. Okay, but those nifty 50 mutual funds are managed by the fund managers. Okay, so means like they are managed by the humans, so sometimes there might be an human errors, means like they might miss to replicate the same weightage of the nifty 50 stocks. Okay, and so there will be some failures might happen in those mutual funds, and that the means like at that time those mutual funds will never replicate, means like they will never give the same return as what nifty 50 gave. Okay, so and also that management cost of the mutual funds will be more than 1% always. Okay, so which will be a burden for the retail traders. Okay, retail investors, right? So now we'll be going to look at what is the solution for this to invest in nifty 50 without mutual funds and without buying all the stocks by ourselves. Okay, so there is something called a nifty bees. Okay, so nifty bees is an exchange traded fund in India. Okay, so this is like the nifty bees will get invested in all the nifty 50 stocks, and this has been traded in a exchange. Okay, so not like a mutual fund. Mutual fund is like we have to buy and sell in that AMC of that particular mutual funds home pages, right? So here the nifty piece we can trade that in an exchange itself, means like by using your sub brokers. Okay, so and there is a no fund manager bias in the nifty bees. Okay, the nifty bees is an automated traded fund which will automatically buy and sell the nifty bees based on the nifty 50 performance. Okay, so let's say if the nifty 50, let's say SEBI includes some stocks and remove the older stocks, this nifty bees will automatically do the adjustment based on that nifty 50. Okay, so and it can be bought and sold like any shares through any stock brokers, as it's an exchange traded fund. We can buy and sold at the stock terminal itself whenever the markets open. Okay, so and the underlying will closely replicate the nifty 50 in terms of returns. Okay, and the expense ratio of this nifty 50 is nifty bees is like 0.80%, including all the management fee, which is lowest of all the mutual funds. Okay, so at means like most of the mutual funds expense ratio will be more than 1.20% with the management fees, but in the nifty bees there is an expense ratio of only like 0.80%. Okay, and right now like you might think that nifty is trading at like 9,000 or 10,000 levels, so how can a retailer buy one share of a nifty bees, right? So nifty bees is always valued at the 1/10 of the nifty index value. Let's say if the nifty is trading at 10,000, the nifty bees value will always be at rupees 100. Okay, so even you can buy one share or 10 share or multiples of one share, whatever the amount you have. Based on that you can buy the Nifty Bs same as like the other shares. Okay, so this is a chart of past 5 years of Nifty Bs and Nifty. So you can see this is in weekly candles of an past 5 years of Nifty. So you can see this almost all the time. So whenever the Nifty falls at 2016 here, you can see that Nifty comes down, and whenever the Nifty is moving, Nifty Bs will also start to move. You can see the same pattern, chart pattern will always be there with both Nifty 50 and Nifty Bs. So by this way you can invest in a Nifty 50 as your portfolio, and this Nifty Bs will give you an same amount of return whatever the Nifty is giving for an yearly basis. There might be a small minor changes, so based on that you can invest. Okay, and this is for an educational purpose, so do your own analysis before investing in the Nifty Bs. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe our channel. So thanks.